Hi everyone, my name is Chris and I'm from Need for Spread. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video, how to make money with binary options and paid signals. If you saw my yesterday's video, it was about how to make money with binary options and free signals. In today's video we go further and we will see how we can make money and how we can find good signals, paid signals. So if you are new to this channel, stay here until the end if you want to see what's all about. And if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and also hit the notification bell. In this way you'll be notified every time I'm uploading a new video. So let's go and jump into the video. Alright everyone, so I'm on my Binarycent dashboard, broker dashboard. Binarycent is the broker that I am using to trade the binary options, and for paid signals I'm using Forex Trendy. This is a Forex trend scanner, and it provides you with buy and sell signals. As you can see, this one here, Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar, which I just received a few minutes ago. Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar. So before everything, I want to go here on my dashboard and I want to place this buy signal. Okay, so let's wait a little bit. Here is the purchase deadline, but we don't care about this line, and I'm using 5-minute chart. So let's put a call here on Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar. Yes, Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar. And as you can see here, the trade is placed, and after 5 minutes it should be above this line. Okay, in order to take profit, to have profit, $85 profit, it should be above this line. And according to Forex Trendy, this is the signal. It was a buy signal, so it should go up. Okay, let's go back here to Forex Trendy. I want to show you a little bit this one. I've made some other videos in the past about Forex Trendy. You can go and check my YouTube channel for it, but also for the newbie traders, for the new traders who are watching my channel, I'll explain a little bit what Forex Trendy is, and if a new signal is coming, I will go back to Binarycent platform and I will place that signal. Okay, so Forex Trendy, it is a financial tool that could make your trading life very much easier. Much like other useful trading products, this one has thousands of users that are reaping the benefits of it, especially since it is easy to use and affordable. By the way, the cost is of the Forex Trend is $47. It's only $47. You will not find any other tool like this with this kind of money. A tool like this helps you to minimize the number of mistakes you make as somebody just starting out with Forex trading. This is not a foolproof way of preventing monetary loss, and many of us will lose money on the market. This is not to say that the Forex market is a total scam tout. You really have to know what you're getting into. Your goal as a newbie will be to survive and get the hang of the market Forex Trendy, and for that Forex Trendy will help you to do this faster. Forex Trendy, it is a software program. It uses an algorithm to search and find trends in the market, and unlike other programs that are designed to monitor market trends, futures a good price. This program burst into the scene about 5 years ago, and since then it has enjoyed some great improvement. And as you can see, we have here again Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar. It is a buy signal again, and let's make a call again. That's it. So we have it here. Oh, okay, and we have another one, Euro Great Britain Pound. It is a buy. Euro GBP. Let's go back to Euro GBP. It is a buy, a call, and let's prepare for this. As you can see, it is an uptrend, and let's make a call here. Okay, we've placed it here, and it's going up, as you can see. So we have 2 trades in the money until now. I don't know the other one, but we will see. Okay, and let's go back to Forex Trendy to see what's more about. Okay, so now for the Forex Trendy, there are some settings here that you need to take place. But if you will join these settings, just email me if you'll join Forex Trendy, and for this I'll put the link below this video on the description area. I will email you these settings. We have here time frames, we have forex pairs, time frame, charts, we have patterns here, and you need to set these settings in order to get properly signals. But as I told you, there is no problem. Just email me, and I will after you join Forex Trendy, I will send you these settings. Okay, let's go back to and looks like this Euro GBP, it's down now. Let's see what will happen. Oh, and we have another one, we have another signal. It's Euro AUD. It is a sell signal. Euro AUD. Let's go back here. Euro AUD, and this one, it is a sell signal. Let's be prepared. Euro AUD, we will wait a little bit. I don't want to miss this signal. You see, as you can see, have 1, 2, 3, and now at 3 should go down, and now we've just pushed the sell button, the put button. Euro AUD, and is going down, as you can see, and we will wait for another one, another signal. So if you'll purchase Forex Trendy, you will have charts in real time for over 30 of the most used currency pairs, an interface that is very user friendly. You can access everything 24/7, comprehensive overview of market trends and currency pairs, alerts of your email phone so you don't miss a thing, triangle flags for 34 trade pairs. Yes, and you will have also these signals on your email, as you can see here. Forex Trendy pattern alert. Do you have it? I have it. I have everything here on my email. All right, so I'll be back to you. I think that's it. That's all the trades for today for in binary options trading. I'll be back to you and I'll show you the results in a couple of minutes. So stay here, don't go. All right, guys. So I'm back with Forex Trendy and Binarycent, and as you can see here, let's go and have a look on what happened with today's trades. So we have a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trades, and we have 4 in the money and 2 out of the money, and a total of $280 profit for today, because I invested $10, one trade $10 and the other $100. So this is a good winning ratio. We have 4 winning trades from 6. So that's very good, that's very good, very good winning ratio. So you could put here $1,000 or I don't know, $2,000, $500, and the profit will be higher, will be bigger, but that depends on your account volume. That's pretty it for today with Forex Trendy. Forex Trendy, if you want to use Forex Trendy, I'll put the link below this video, and if you decide to join Forex Trendy, I will send you the setting that I am using for Forex Trendy. So that's it, the video for today. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and also hit the notification bell. In this way you'll be notified every time I am uploading a new video. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye.